Are you a new agent or seasoned agent but aren't getting the results you need? Then stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to share with you about a boot camp that I just took this week and what I learned. Hey everyone, I'm Ben, your agent with Aguilar Realty Group, brokered by EXP. I'm going to be going over the recaps I learned at the NAEA Bootcamp. Let's get into it. It was in Frisco, Texas, guys. Amazing. If you've never been to Frisco, Texas, it was cold during this time, but the trees colors were beautiful and gorgeous, and it was such a beautiful place. And the trainers were Jay Kinder, John Kitchens, Beverly Lee Whiffner, and also Wally Bressler. They were incredible. It was 3 days of fun and in-depth training. The things I learned, let's get into it. Day one was all about positioning yourself as an expert advisor. Did you know it takes as low as 90 clock hours to become a real estate agent? Many people can become a real estate agent, have no prior experience in real estate, and begin advising clients on their largest investment in their lifetime. That's why it's so important to spend money and educate yourself. Here's a key takeaway. Do high-level activities like taking time at boot camps like this one to get certified. All right, guys. Number 2, be efficient, they taught. It's all about the calendar, guys. Ask yourself when you organize your calendar, what am I doing right now to gain the income I want to achieve? Ooh, that was good. Let me say that again. Ask yourself when you're organizing your calendar, what am I doing right now to gain the income I want to achieve? Let me give you another takeaway. 4 C's. Take a note, take some paper right now, pause this video if you need to, and write down these 4 C's. Number 1, commitment. Are you committed? Number 2, courage. Number 3, competence. And number 4, confidence. And here's a bonus C, coach. Do you have a coach to help you? Most key players in any industry have coaches. Make sure you get one. And I love the quote by Jim Rohn. He says, either you run the day or the day runs you. Let's make sure that the day doesn't run you and that you're organized. And so we go to day 2. Day 2 was amazing. It was a certified home selling and buyer advisor training. If any day of the 3 days, this was my favorite. So we went over expert advisory, home selling, and buying strategies. Let me show you guys what we got there. We got these placemats, right, guys? And they're legit. This was worth the money. And in this placemat, it gives you everything you need to say to a listing appointment or a buying appointment. And it also educates the buyer or the seller what to expect from you. Not only do we get these placemats, we also got a booklet over 500 pages of gems. We didn't go page by page, but they did show us a lot of this in the class, which is amazing. Like, just equipping your mind to be confident, like I said, in the 4 C's, and competent too, right? So the key takeaway on day 2 was literally be enthusiastic. And remember, it's a process, not perfection. Just get through it and just make process is what I learned. And then day 3 was all about database. They showed us organization, follow-up, conversion, and lead generation. And there's just so many notes I took in my notepad that we could be for hours on this video. So I just want to give you a quick recap. But you know, if you want to ask me more questions about organization, follow-up, conversion, lead generation, leave a comment below, or I'll direct you to the next boot camp they're gonna have. It's worth it, I'm telling you. So my takeaway from the whole event, guys, it's all about having the knowledge to connect with the client. Again, it's all about having the knowledge to connect with the client so they can know, trust, and establish your authority. It's about it's about being the best person to help them get from point A to Z. All right, now if you or anyone is looking to buy a home or sell in the Los Angeles County area, please drop a comment below or even go to my IG, Instagram, and message me. Now, thank you for all the support. And if this video helped you, please go ahead and smash that like button, share this video, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. See you on the next video. God bless you. Thank you for tuning in.